Hello YouTube followers, once again welcome back to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas, and I hope all of you are well and doing good in your lives. So without wasting any further sort of time, let's move to the details of this video. So in this video I am here with you along with a very pretty, stylish, classy and unique collection of floral hand embroidered coats, and these coat designs are specifically for young age infants, toddlers, baby girls, ranging from age to 0 months to, you could say, 60 months. That is 0 months to 5-year baby girls. I hope that you would like these design ideas. All of these designs are entirely made up of pure wool, and the final touch up has been designed along with hand embroidery. And the hand embroidery consists of very few 2 or maximum 3 type of stitches, and these stitches are fly stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch, lazy daisy, twisted knot stitch and French knot. Nothing more than this. If you have grip in 1 to 2 stitches, then you are pretty much professional enough to design these type of hand embroidery coats. And one more thing, this video is not specifically based on hand embroidered floral coats, but in the end of this video we have added some hand embroidered woolen dresses that are also specifically for baby girls, and these dresses contain shirts, woolen pajamas, or you could say woolen bottoms, woolen trousers and head warmers or caps that are made up of purely wool. Kindly, if you like the video and if you like these design patterns, then please do try to design or made customized type of dresses, woolen dresses or woolen coats for your baby girls, and to share your experiences along with us through comment section, and give your opinions and suggestions in the comment section so that we could remain notified about your likes and dislikes. And we do keep reading your comments, and keep in mind about your likes and dislikes and opinions and suggestions, and then we will upload further content on our channel according to your interests. So before going, I would request you 1 to 2 simple things. And the first thing is, kindly do make a routine of visiting our channel on daily basis, and do watch the latest videos so that you could have a remarkable and impactable knowledge of fashion world that is specifically related to ladies fashion. And one more thing, if you like these videos, then kindly share our videos through some social platform among your social circle that is composed of your family and friends. So thank you, take care, goodbye. We will come up along with a very new and stylish trends of women fashion in a very short interval of time. So bye bye.